Hi there. Okay, this is part 6. I'm grinding the cracks. I started grinding. I got this one done. The big crack, I've got ground. I've got my backer rod in there. And this thing is pretty doggone level now. It's in pretty decent shape. Got the backer rod in there. This is all ground over here. It's ground all the way out. This one I got the backer rod in all the way through. Then this is the big one. This one's ground. Got that ground open. Over here. Over here. Over here. And I'm working over here right now. To be continued. Okay, for those of you that are going to attempt this grinding yourselves, you want to try and get these cracks as level as possible so that way when you put your product in there, your self-leveling product, it levels out even. Little trick I found while doing this, I got a block of wood, smooth on both sides, and I just lay it here. And first I try to rock it back and forth to see if it rocks. Okay. And then what I do is I just run it back and forth like this to see if it hangs up. If it hangs up, then I know I got a high spot. If it goes back and forth real easy, and I'm not putting much strength down, I'm just kind of like running it across the top very lightly, because it doesn't have to be perfect. So it's not hanging up, so I'm good. So just a little bit of advice for you if you're going to do this yourself. Okay? I just finished the grinding of the cracks completely. Got it all swept up. Got it all ready to go. Tomorrow I hope to fill in the cracks, do all the patching. But right now it's all leveled out. Every crack has been leveled. High spots grounded down. If you want to follow along with this, it's going to be on my YouTube channel. Just look up The Crazy Old Dude and you'll find me. Bye.